Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. In today's video, I am going to show you an incredibly powerful tool called TweetScraper that makes finding leads and growing your audience on Twitter super easy. Whether you are a retail marketer, agency owner, or entrepreneur, this tool can save you hours of work. So guys, let's dive in. What is TweetScraper? TweetScraper exactly data extraction tool that allow you to scrape valuable information from Twitter account and tweets. This include existing followers, finding email address, and targeting audience based on your niche. With TweetScraper, you are not just guessing who your target audience is, you are directly connecting with them. Let's see guys how to use this tool. After logging your TweetScraper account, you can easily get 10 credit and you can see this dashboard. You can easily find this TweetScraper link in my description box. Now we want to scrape Twitter followers. So click scrape followers. Now I am going to my Twitter profile. Guys, you can search your any profile or any industry or any niche who you target your audience. You can go to Twitter search bar and search your Twitter profile. Suppose guys I choose Robertson profile. Click there. Now I am just copy this name. Click copy and go to TweetScraper tool and TweetScraper to just paste username that I already copy. Guys, now you can enter your keyword. Suppose guys I use this keyword founder, CEO, CO, ads, e-commerce, sales, business agency, service, marketing, sales, and I also added email. If you want, you can add more keyword, whatever you want. You can type your email personal or business. I need personal email. Yes, I can choose personal. Now you can choose show advanced option. If you want, you can choose minimum follower, their people audience, or you can choose your maximum follower. And use and targeting. This will target user that have all keyword you entered. If you want to use, then click. Also you can use, if you previously escaped any user with email found, then you can click this box. Also you can add your more keyword with this box. Now you can add your how many emails you want to find for this profile audience. I want to add 15 email. Then click scrape followers. Guys, we are waiting a few moments. When it progress 100%, then we can easily find our email address. Guys, the result is already done. We can view this result. Click view. They already found 202 user account and 15 email found. They provide in profile, first name, website, this profile bio, location, follower, following, and also tweets. This person they find email address, and there are 202 user they already found. We want 15 email, that's why they found 15 emails. Now we can easily export all data of this information, or we can only export email data. Now I want to export all data, so click export all. After some few moments, this data is exported. Guys, now we want to scrape following. Click scrape following and then go to Twitter profile. At now I will choose Alex Hormozy profile and I copy Alex Hormozy username, click and copy and go to TweetScraper and paste this name and enter keyword in sales. I want to find business email, click business, click show advanced option. I want to use only 10, don't need minimum follower, maximum follower, so I don't added any follower on this box. So click scrape following. Guys, our previous data is already downloaded, so we can see data. There is a profile link, user ID, full name, first name, email, website, URL, bio, location, follower, following, tweets. We can easily create our cold campaign with this data. Guys, go to TweetScraper AI and click view. They already find 23 user and 10 email. Also they provide followers, following, tweet. We can easily find email address, profile link, bio link. If you want, you can easily export all data or export only email data. Let's go to pricing. You can click subscription. They provide 3 pricing plan. The basic plan is $49 per month, 1000 email credit they provide, and also provide email verification credit rule over export contact to CSV, no charge for duplicate. When you choose growth plan, you will pay $99 per month. They provide 5000 email credit, all others previous features. And when we choose business plan, you will pay $249 per month. In this plan, they provide 20,000 email credit. So guys, you can easily find this tool in my description box. So guys, why we use TweetScraper AI? Guys, this tool automates the entire process for you. With TweetScraper, we can easily instantly scrape the followers of key accounts in your niche. Use targeted keywords to filter profile based on their bio, location, and more. We can easily export all data like names, email, and social handle so you can use it your outreach campaign. Guys, TweetScraper saves you hours of manual work and ensure that the leads you are gathering are highly relevant. Whether you are an agency owner, entrepreneur, or marketer, this tool puts you ahead of the competition. TweetScraper is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to leverage Twitter as a lead generation platform. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly powerful. If you are ready to take your Twitter marketing to the next level, check out the link in the description to start using TweetScraper today. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So bye guys.